Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by lowering the window fully so the glass clears the mirror area, then remove the inner door pull cover and two 10mm bolts behind it using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Pry off the triangular sail panel at the mirror base with a plastic trim tool, then work the door panel clips free by gently pulling along the bottom edge. Disconnect the window switch connector and any courtesy light connector, and set the door panel aside on a clean towel to prevent scratches. Peel back the foam or sound deadening at the mirror triangle to expose the mirror mounting plate and the three 10mm nuts that secure the mirror. While supporting the mirror with your free hand from the outside, use a 10mm socket to remove the three nuts. Keep the mirror steady so it does not drop and damage the paint. Reach inside through the door hole, press the electrical connector tab, and unplug the mirror wiring by pulling straight apart to avoid stressing the connector. Position the new replacement mirror on the outside of the door and thread the three 10mm nuts by hand to secure alignment. Do not fully tighten until all three are started. Torque the nuts evenly to a snug feel around 912 ft-lb, or tighten firmly by hand with a socket while holding the mirror square. Reconnect the mirror electrical connector, then test power adjust, heater, and turn signal functions if equipped. Reinstall the sail panel. Reattach the door panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.